I'm going to show you how to remove apps or things that are running in your background here on your iPhone. What you want to do is double click your home button and you can just scroll through and you can see these apps and just put your finger on it and slide it up to remove it. Like that Woz app, the music app. So you just keep sliding up until you remove them all. Once this done, your apps are no longer running in your background. So I'm going to show you how to do this again. You double click. You go to your whichever one you want to remove, click on it and hold your finger on it and slide it up. So you can remove all of them or just one or two. And that Woz app is always running in the background. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.